Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure you're signed into iCloud. This links your address book across devices. Once signed in, enable Contacts Sync under Settings your name iCloud so entries store in iCloud. Now open the Contacts app on your device or go to iCloud. And click the plus or New Contact button. Start typing the person's name. This first action creates the record that will replicate to all your devices, so make sure iCloud is selected as the account before you proceed. You should now populate the contact details thoughtfully. Enter full name, company, and a clear photo if you want visual lookup. Add multiple phone numbers and emails using labels like mobile, work, or home so you can choose quickly later. Use the notes field for addresses or relationship context, and add a URL or custom ringtone if useful. Make sure you select the preferred email or phone as primary. Doing this now avoids later edits and helps search and Siri identify the contact correctly. When you finish, tap Save. This writes the contact to iCloud and starts synchronization. Give iCloud a moment and then check another device to confirm the entry appears. If it doesn't, refresh Contacts or reopen the app. If you still have trouble, make sure contact syncing is enabled in iCloud settings, verify a stable internet connection, and consider signing out of iCloud and signing back in to force a sync. These steps resolve most sync issues quickly, so your new contact shows everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.